Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect monday.com to Google Sheets step by step clearly. To connect monday.com to Google Sheets, start by opening both applications in your web browser. Log into your monday.com account. Navigate to the board you want to sync with Google Sheets. Locate the Integrate button on the upper right side of the board. Click on the Integrate button to open the Integration Center. In the Integration Center, type Google Sheets into the search bar. Select the Google Sheets integration option that appears. Choose the specific integration recipe that fits your needs. For example, you may want to choose an option like Create a new item in monday.com when a new row is added to Google Sheets. Once you've selected your desired recipe, click the Add to Board button. A new window will appear prompting you to authenticate your Google account. Click Authorize to grant monday.com access to your Google Sheets. Select the Google Sheets account you want to connect. After you authorize, you may need to select the specific spreadsheet you want to use. Follow the prompts to configure the mapping between the columns and make sure to match the relevant fields correctly to ensure data syncs properly. Once you've completed the mapping, click Create Integration. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your integration is successfully set up. You can now return to your monday.com board and check if new items are created automatically. To test the integration, add a new row to your Google Sheet. Check back in monday.com to confirm that the new item was created. If there are any issues, revisit the integration settings to troubleshoot. Now you have successfully connected monday.com to Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.